Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you photo manipulation process like this. So if I see the photo was normally like this one is our cover photo. You know that the stock image was like that and we made it like this. So how to do that? Let's see. I'll show you this thing in this tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Let's start the tutorial. At first, I'll go to the file and open up. Here is the stock image. I downloaded this one deviantart.com, and I'll provide you the download link in my video description. From here, you can select this photo, or using pen tool, you can select this girl, or you can use the technique which is really amazing. Here, go to the selection tool, and here the select subject. In these 2019 and CC 2020, you will get this feature automatically in a Photoshop. And after that, you will have to select or precisely select the area which one you want. Suppose this portion, you have to select this portion, and you have to deselect this portion. How to do that? Press Alt or Option button and hold it, and you can deselect this area. And after that, if you want to refine the edges, how smooth will be the edges, you have to go over there, select and mask options, select over there. One thing is that if you are the user of the CS version, you have to go to the select options and select and mask, press the shift and hold it, same menu over there. This one is the process for the earlier version of the Creative Cloud, like CS6, CS5, CS4, like this. And after that, you have to choose the area like that. If you want to reduce those area by using the settings, that means here some white portion, you have to reduce that portion. Here the contrast, the smoothness, if you want to make it smooth, or edge shifting, and here the radius. If you increase the radius, the white portion gradually delete or remove over there, or you can just brush. You can make the smoothness by using any kind of methods, so it's totally up to you which one is convenient to you. So after that, here is small menu, that is output to new layer with the layer mask, and hit the OK button. You'll get the transparent background. That means the background already removed the background. So after that, we'll go to the file and taking new artboard, which could be square shape or the rectangle shape, whatever it is. I'm taking 2000 pixel by 2000 pixel, and the resolution 300 pixel per inch. Here the option pixel per inch, and hit the create button. And now I'll take couple of element like the hill, the ground with a stone, and then I'll take the girl from this window. So prerequisite of work, we have to do that. Go to the file and place embedded options. Here some stock I already downloaded from deviantart.com, and I'll provide you that download link. So here you have to make it restylize the layer, and after that mask it one. Select the background, go to the solid color options and choose the gray color like this. For your convenience to mask it out, here I'll select this mask, this one, the white square, and then press G from the keyboard. The gradient will appear, and remove this portion. So after removing that portion, we'll import another photo which is really related with that, like this. Here another stock image. I downloaded this one from deviantart.com. This photo making more sense. That means this showing you the horror scenario like that. But one thing is that you have to make it restylize the layer and delete these like tree branches. From here, spot healing brush tool, making the size bigger. And now I'll import the girl. So taking this one, dragging and drop over there. and this one will be top layer. Press Ctrl or Command T, making it smaller. Okay, that's good. You have to place it properly. Okay, now we'll take care of these two things. That means the branch, that means the background, the rocks, and the windmills. Making it group and making it merge. That means these two things is merge. Okay, after that, go to the filter and the blur gallery. From here, tilt shift blur, and from here I'll make it totally downward and making it like this. So blur will be 10% is blur, and hit the OK button. Here some line maybe appears. You have to remove the line. Go to the brush tool, or you can brush. Before that, you have to select this one. That means make it black, and the flow opacity 100%. Make the size of the brush bigger and remove those line which is unnecessary appeared. That's fine. Now making it convert to smart object, and the gradient, that's good. So now time to give the shadow under the legs and other stuffs. Select here, taking another blank layer under this layer, that means this girl layer. I'm giving the name. Okay, and go to the brush for B and select the layer that is the shadow. That's good. And making it black, make the opacity 73 and 64 or 65. Okay, and now just giving the brush over there, not too much but little bit. Okay, now I'll take another blank layer, upper side of the girl layer, just because of I want to provide the shadow over there, and light will come from the left side. And now time to treat with the girl. So go to the filter and camera filter. I'll make this one like vibrance down, and the red color saturation will up, and hue will be a little bit like this, and hit OK. So nice. And the shadow will be a little bit down. That's good. Now I'll make the dodge and burning process for this, taking another blank layer, making it like a create clipping mask 50% gray. How to do that? Go to the edit option, go to the fill options, and here you'll get some menus and 50% gray, and hit OK. And after that, making it overlay. That's good. Now this layer, that is the dodge and burn. So dodge and burn, so this portion. So if I go to the burn tool, it will give you the black output. So this portion as well. And the dodge, I'm making group this one is the girl. Okay, taking another blank layer, going to the brush tool and select the color or brush size like that, and the color of the brush will be yellowish. So taking the yellowish color. Okay, that's fine, and select once. Before that, you have to check the opacity 100% and flow 100%. Select once, press Ctrl or Command T, making it bigger like this, and making it into screen mode, and hit the tick button. Okay, now we'll give here a moon. So go to the file and place embedded options. Here is a moon, which is the stock image and stock PNG. Actually, I'll provide you that PNG download link in my video description. So select over there, go to the adjustment layer and go to the color lookup options. Here is the color lookup, and go to the foggy night options. So from the foggy night, I'll give this one into this portion. Okay, from here I'll make the opacity down and select the mask options and G from the keyboard for the, you can make the opacity down for this. Okay, and the moon will be more smaller. Nice. Okay, now time for give the rain or other stuffs. So go to the place embedded options. Here is some dusts downloaded from deviantart.com, and I'll provide you that dust link in my video description. So hit the tick button, and after that go to the filter and the blur and motion blur. From the motion blur, make this one like minus 60 degrees. Good for this one. Just we want to make it like coming from the upper side or left upper side, and hit the OK button. After that, making it into screen mode. But one thing is that for using the dust, the light hampered. That's why we'll go to the levels options, and from here I'll make it mask. This level only work with this dust. Now I'll select or changes the color and adjusting the color like that. So here I'm making this one another, that is the light. So I'm taking another gradient. Go to the gradient options, select this gradient and place over there in the downside and hit OK. So selecting all the stuffs, making it group, and you can make it smart object for future editing if you need. So I'm making it convert to smart object, and this one is a smart object. If you press over there, it will open up in new window and you can edit all the stuffs in future. Now you can apply the effects over there. So go to the filter, Nik Collection, Color Effects Pro. So Color Effects Pro 4 or Nik Collection is another plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link of these, please check out my video description. And from here I'm using the cross processing and lots of method over here. Which one is perfect for your photographs? You have to pick up C04 or G05. Which one is perfect? I think this one is the night, which is like this. So this one is good and hit OK. Just because of we are replacing the nightmare or which is the stormy night, and this should be blue color. That's why I'm giving that effect. Color Effects Pro 4. If you double press over there, it will open up again in Nik Collection and you can change up the effects. So if you make it OK, the effects will change again and again. So this one is the process to make the manipulation easily in your Photoshop to the stock image or with the stock image. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, stay safe, stay at home. ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.